We are Winter team proposing SeaBank's investment feature. We use design thinking-based methodology framework, research where we conduct user interviews and competitor analysis, then framing insight by affinity mapping. Afterwards, we ideate by brainstorming and exploring feasible design concepts through rapid iteration and hi-fi prototyping.
After research, we design a variable-based framework according to user needs, which include intuitive experience, credibility, managed risk, rich inventory, investment enlightenment, and information clarity. Taking 6 of those aspects as our main foundation and applying the UI/UX design principles, we produce a hi-fi design solution, and this is the Invest main page, consisting of order menu in the top right page to check your transaction history, risk profile section afterwards showing what type of investor you are, and below that is an overview of your entire portfolio information and portfolio list. Next is the discovery entry point leading to learning content pages and quizzes, and following is the rich product section and simple nudges in each product to help users to choose. And lastly, at the end of the page, there's help section consisting of investment dictionary, FAQ, and the help center entry points.
Next, these features are incorporated based on the problems. First, most users are unaware about the investment risks. 4 design solutions are proposed for it. First, risk profile assessment, a quiz to identify user risk profile characteristic where user will be recommended products based on their risk profile and they can simulate according to their recommended composition. Tackling the same problem, we offer product comparison feature for users to learn and help their decision-making process, as well as recommended nudges will appear if a product meets users' risk profile. Next, we provide articles and video-based learning so that users can learn more about investing since especially new users lack of investment education. Lastly, we provide a fun approach for users to understand investment through quizzes, and in return, they can trade rewards that can benefit their transaction. This gamification based on the whole model can increase user retention and number of transactions due to the rewards received. Next, most users lack investment discipline and commitment in the process of making it difficult to reach their goal. A proposed solution here is providing recurring auto-debit investment top-up to offer ease and help users stay in goal. Third problem is users are unaware of their transaction status due to unclear information. Our proposed solution is providing real-time status and notify users of its progress due to information transparency and assurance that their funds are safe.
Other than problems, we have goals. First is to enhance user understanding of the advantage of mutual funds investment can lead to higher value growth than storing it in their bank account. Our proposed solution provides deposit savings and mutual fund investment comparison to based on amount and frequency, and also possible to simulate using a preferred product. Another goal is to strengthen the app trustworthiness and security assurances for users as they expect transparent information flow, 24/7 real person help support, and government regulation. And that concludes our research findings and proposed design solution. Thank you.